Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore how release with Lambda can revolutionize the way we deploy Lambda functions in the serverless world. I am Anil Anubirumat, working as the principal product manager for release and deploy products at digital.ai. Before we dive into the benefits and demo, let's clarify what serverless means in the context of modern cloud computing. Serverless computing is a cloud computing model where you, as a developer, focus solely on writing code without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. What that means is in serverless, you don't manage servers or virtual machines. Instead, you deploy functions or application and let the cloud provider take care of scaling, maintenance, and resource allocation. Serverless is event driven, meaning functions are executed in response to events. Examples could be HTTPS requests, database changes, file uploads, without the need of provisioning or managing servers. And it also offers pay as you go pricing. So you only pay for the compute resource during the function execution, making it very cost effective. Release with Lambda can address some of the unique challenges, specifically in the deployment complexity in the serverless environment, lack of consistency in the serverless workflows, and the scripts which are time consuming, specifically in the serverless architecture. Manual interventions, hurdles in serverless deployments, and ensuring reusability for serverless components. So some of the benefits of release with Lambda in the serverless deployments are self-service workflow release with Lambda offers a pre-built workflow that simplifies the serverless deployments. Basically, it empowers teams to deploy Lambda functions with ease, reducing the need of manual interventions in the serverless environment. Consistency is the key in the serverless deployment, and release with Lambda ensures uniformity by providing a predefined workflow, promoting consistent deployment process in the serverless architectures. Reusability is a game changer in the serverless world. With release and Lambda, you can create reusable workflow configurations and save time and efforts for each new function in the serverless application. It's very easy to add functions. Scaling your serverless infrastructure becomes effortless with the Lambda integration with release. The guided workflow release with Lambda introduces a guided workflow for serverless deployments. No more complex scripting. It streamlines the process, reducing errors in the serverless architecture. Here is a quick demo on how a Lambda function is deployed using a pre-built workflow in release. Release provides a workflow catalog for specifically creating an AWS Lambda function using S3 zip file. You can select servers and regions. With Lambda integration to release, you can provide function name, function description, specific runtime, handlers, and other variables. You can specify a bucket name, specify the S3 object key, specifically path where your zip packages are located. During the deployment, you have a way to monitor live deployments, which helps you find out what exactly has been executed. You can always go back to the workflow executions and see the historical executions that has happened. So it helps the platform engineering provide a means of updating attributes and ensuring at every step the values are not only validated but also provides a quick feedback on failures. To summarize, release with Lambda brings a host of benefits to your serverless Lambda function deployment. It simplifies, streamlines, and automates the process, making it easier than ever to manage your serverless applications in the evolving serverless landscape. Thank you for your attention.